Healthy 8 daily habits that change your life. 1. Drinking water. Drinking water has numerous benefits for your body. Water helps break down food and aids in the absorption of nutrients. Water helps regulate body temperature, especially during exercise or in hot weather. So staying hydrated with water is crucial. Water can help reduce fatigue and improve energy levels. 2. Meditate for 10 minutes every day. Meditating for just 10 minutes a day can have numerous benefits for both the mind and body. Meditation can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, leading to a greater sense of calm and relaxation. Improve focus, attention, and concentration, allowing for greater productivity and mental clarity. Meditation can improve overall well-being, leading to greater happiness, contentment, and a more positive outlook on life. 3. Exercising regularly. Exercising regularly is essential for good health and can have numerous positive effects on the body and mind. It is recommended that adults engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with muscle-strengthening activities at least 2 days per week. 4. Eating a balanced diet. To achieve a balanced diet, it is important to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods from all food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats. It is also important to limit the consumption of processed and high-calorie foods, as well as sugary drinks and snacks. 5. Getting enough sleep. It is recommended that adults aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, although individual needs may vary. To improve sleep quality, it is important to establish a regular sleep schedule, avoid stimulating activities before bed, create a relaxing sleep environment, and limit the consumption of caffeine and alcohol before bed. 6. Spending time in nature. Spending time in nature can have numerous benefits for the body and mind. Exposure to natural light and fresh air can help regulate the body's circadian rhythm, leading to improved sleep quality and quantity. Individuals can engage in activities such as hiking, camping, gardening, or simply taking a walk in a park or nature reserve. It is recommended to spend at least 120 minutes per week in nature to experience the health benefits. 7. Cultivating social connections. To cultivate social connections, individuals can engage in activities such as joining clubs or organizations, volunteering, attending social events, or reaching out to friends and family members. It is also important to prioritize building and maintaining relationships and to seek support when needed. 8. Learning new things. To engage in lifelong learning, you can pursue new hobbies, take classes or courses, read books or articles, or listen to podcasts or lectures. It is important to choose activities that are interesting and enjoyable, and to challenge yourself to learn new skills or information. By continuing to learn throughout life, you will promote your personal growth and improve your overall health and well-being.